at this crucial gathering focused on human rights, dimension of artificial intelligence, governance, and the UN guiding principles on business and human rights. I extend my sincere appreciation to the International Network for Corporate Social Responsibility for organizing this important conference and for their unwavering commitment to fostering reasonable AI governance in Africa. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a technological advancement. It is a transformational force reshaping societies, industries, and economies across healthcare, finance, agriculture, defense, and even governance itself. AI is driving innovation, improving service delivery, and increasing efficiency. However, alongside these benefits, AI presents significant ethical and human rights challenges, such as algorithm bias, which has been mentioned in most of the previous speeches, privacy violations, digital exclusion, and AI-driven misinformation. These concerns highlight the urgent need for a structured, ethical, and collaborative approach to AI governance, one that ensures AI technologies are fair, transparent, inclusive, and aligned with human rights principles. At NITDA, we are committed to ensuring that AI development and deployment in Nigeria adhere to the ethical, transparent, and human rights-driven principles. This commitment is reflected in our National Artificial Intelligence Strategy, which is available online, and it provides a structured roadmap to AI adoption, governance, and innovation. The strategy focuses on building world-class AI ecosystem, ensuring responsible and ethical AI deployment, fostering AI research and capacity building, and driving AI applications across the key sectors. As part of this commitment, we are focusing the National Center for Artificial Intelligence and Robotics, Nigeria's premier hub for AI research and innovation, for capacity building. Through the center, we are fostering an ecosystem where AI solutions are developed with fairness, inclusivity, and compliance with global best practices. One of the most pressing concerns regarding AI is its impact on the workforce. AI is reshaping job roles, automating routine tasks, and creating new opportunities in digital innovation. While some traditional jobs may evolve or become obsolete, AI is also generating new career pathways in fields such as data science, machine learning, robotics, AI ethics, and cybersecurity. Recognizing this shift, NITDA, in collaboration with key stakeholders, launched various critical initiatives such as the 3 Million Tech Talent 3-entity program, aimed at training and equipping Nigerians with digital skills to thrive in an AI-driven economy. We also have the Digital Literacy for All initiative, which is designed to promote widespread digital competence across various demographics by investing in AI education and capacity building. We are ensuring that AI serves as a tool for economic empowerment rather than a driver for unemployment. Our goal is to create a knowledge-based economy where Nigerians are not just AI consumers, but also AI developers, thought leaders, as well as innovators. Alongside workforce transformation, responsible AI governance must prioritize data privacy and protection. AI systems rely heavily on data, and without proper safeguards, they can expose individuals to privacy violations and unethical data usage. To address this, Nigeria has established the Nigeria Data Protection Commission through the Nigerian Data Protection Act, which provides a robust framework to protect personal data and privacy rights.